Good morning to all students. Today's topic is perfumery agents. हर्बल एक्सपिएंट का नेक्स्ट पार्ट है, पार्ट 5 उसमें आएगा परफ्यूमरी एजेंट. परफ्यूम कंपोजिशन यूजुअली इंक्लूड एन एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट और इनहांसर and one or more adjuvants such as extenders, antioxidant, fixative, etc. An active ingredient is a compound which impart to the aroma to the perfume compositions or enhance or augment to the aroma of an existing perfume composition. Fixative and extenders are not considered to be active ingredient, and fixative slow down the rate of evaporation of a perfume by reduce the volatility, and the extenders increase the volume of perfume composition without diluting the aroma. So, name of the perfuming agent. These are the natural perfuming agents which are used in the cosmetic preparation and cosmetic formulation to enhance the aroma and to enhance the odor. Natural perfuming agent name: musk, sandalwood oil, rose oil, jasmine oil, benzoin turpentine oil, lavender oil. These are the medicinal plants which are used in a cosmetic preparation, a cosmetic or cosmetic formulation as a perfumery agent. So, first, sandalwood oil. The synonym of sandalwood oil, sandalwood chandan, the biological source of sandalwood. It is a volatile oil obtained by steam distillation of heartwood of Santalum album. Santalum album is the biological source of sandalwood, and the which part used in cosmetic preparation, that is volatile oil. So volatile obtained by steam distillation of heartwood of Santalum album. So Santalum album biological source, and the part of a plant used heartwood. Then family of sandalwood Santalaceae. Then description on macroscopic character of the sandalwood: nearly colorless golden yellow liquid, pleasant sweet or woody persistent odor. It is somewhat oily viscous liquid which is heavy in weight and affected by light. Then solubility of the sandalwood: so it is soluble in 5 volume of 70% alcohol, and the constituent sesquiterpenes alcohol, alpha and beta santalol. Then method of sterilization: bacteriological filtration. Use of sandalwood: it is used as a perfumery. It is used perfumery industry for lavender perfume, for hair oil, face cream, and it is also used manufacturing of dhoop, agarbatti, etc. Then it is used as a disinfectant of genitourinary tract, and it is used in cosmetic preparation. Storage: it is stored tight and light resistant container. Second, perfuming natural perfuming agent is rose oil. The synonym of rose, otto of rose. Then sources, biological sources of rose. It is volatile oil distilled from fresh flowers of Rose gallica and other rose species, and the family of Rose Rosaceae. So, the biological source name of rose, Rosa gallica, and the which part used of Rosa gallica, that is fresh flowers. So volatile oil distilled from the fresh flower of Rosa gallica. Then description of the macroscopical character of rose oil: colorless or yellow liquid with characteristic odor of rose at 25 degrees Celsius. It's viscous liquid. Upon gradual cooling, it changes to translucent crystalline mass which may be easily liquefied by warming. And the solubility of the rose oil: one 1 ml, take a 1 ml rose oil miscible in 1 ml CaCl3. Then chemical constituent or chemical biological active compound present in rose oil, that is solid linalool, liquid nerol, citronellol, and the geraniol. The chemical test of rose oil: take 1 ml of rose oil, add plus add 1 ml CaCl3, add 20 ml 90% alcohol. So liquid is neutral and acid to moisten litmus paper. After adding this standing solution at 20 degrees Celsius, so it deposits a crystalline residue within the 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, deposit crystalline residue. Then uses of rose oil, it is used as a flavoring agent in perfumes. Then storage, it is stored well filled container in cool place. Then next topic is flavoring agent. So flavoring agent are the key food additives which hundreds of variety like fruit, nuts, seafood, spice, blend, vegetables and wine which are natural flavoring agent. So flavoring agent used in cosmetic formulation to give the flavor. Flavoring agent include flavor substance, flavor extract or flavor preparation which are capable of imparting flavoring properties, namely taste, odor, or both to food. Flavoring agent may be following three types. First, natural flavors and natural flavoring a substance. Means flavor, preparation, and single substance respectively acceptable for human consumption obtained exclusively by physical process from vegetable for human consumption. Second is natural identical flavoring substance. Means substance chemically isolated from aromatic raw material or obtained synthetically. They are the chemically identical to substance present in natural product intended for human consumption, either processed or not. The third is properly artificial flavoring substance, means those substance which have not been identified in natural product intended for human consumption, either processed or not. Then these are the medicinal plant which are used as a flavoring agent in cosmetic or cosmetic formulation. So black pepper is used as a flavoring agent. Black pepper, the chemical constituent is black pepper piperine. Cardamom, next plant is cardamom, and the chemical compound which present in cardamom borneol, that is give to flavor in cosmetic formulation. Then next fennel, and there are biological active compound present in the fennel, fencon, anethol. And next ginger, the chemical constituent in ginger, sagos. Then peppermint, chemical compound present in peppermint, menthol, nutmeg. Then biological active compound or chemical compound present in nutmeg, myristicin, alimicin, saffron. And the next medicinal plant saffron, the biological active compound that is crocin. So cardamom oil, synonym elaichi tel. Source, biological source, it is a volatile oil. It is used as a volatile oil distilled from the seeds of Elateria cardamomum family, Gingiberaceae. Then description, it is a colorless or pale yellow liquid with a pleasant aromatic odor. Solubility, take 1 ml of cardamom oil, dissolve in 5 ml of 70% alcohol at 20 degrees Celsius. Then chemical constituent or biological active compound present in cardamom oil, that is cineol, alpha terpinyl acetate, terpineol, borneol, sabinine, etc. Uses of cardamom oil, used as a aromatic, carminative, stimulant, and flavoring agent. Cardamom oil finds application in flavoring processed food. It is even used in liquid products like cordials, bitter, and liqueurs, and occasionally in perfumery. The method of sterilization, that is bacteriological filtration and storage. It is stored a very tight, light resistant container and not exceeding 25 degrees Celsius. So temperature not should 25 degrees Celsius. Next, orange oil, the synonyms of orange oil, orantai, biological source, it is volatile oil obtained by expression from the fresh peels of the ripe fruit. of Citrus limonis, family Rutaceae. Then description: it is an intense yellow color or deep orange liquid. Odor that is characteristic. Solubility: it is miscible with dehydrated alcohol and with carbon disulfide. 1 volume of orange oil dissolved in 1 volume of glacial acetic acid. The constituent present in orange oil, that is 90% limonene, citral, citronellal. And the chemical test of orange oil: solution of recently expressed orange oil in dehydrated alcohol is neutral to moisten litmus paper. Method of sterilization: bacteriological filtration. Storage: it is well filled, well closed container in cool place away from the sunlight. Note: don't use orange oil that is are the turbinate like turpentine order. So thank you.